Here's how to install your control track in just a few simple steps. First, read the safety and use instructions that came with your control track before you begin. Find the right door for your control track. The door should be standard sized and closed towards you so that when you're pulling on the door and using the strap, it rests in the door frame and not in the direction the door opens. The door should be sturdy and solid. Do not use doors with glass or any other decorative features which could break or cause injury. And if you don't have a door that you can use, then follow the specific instructions in the wall mount installation video. Okay, let's get started with the door installation. First, pinch the metal buckle and thread the end of the door strap through, pulling it flat and straight through the buckle. Keep pinching the buckle and slide the cradle up the strap towards the gray loops. Place the door strap over the top of your secure door. Align the two loops on each side of the door. Thread the door strap under the open door. Pinch the metal buckle that's hanging on the back of the door and thread the end through until it's tightly secured against the door. Close the door, making sure the two loops remain on each side of the door. Check the strap in the front and back for any twists. Once you've checked that the strap is flat, move to the back of your door. Pinch the buckle and pull the strap tail as tight as it can go. Now you can grab your B-lines resistance bands and simply slide one handle through the cradle so that the tube rests in the cradle. Make sure that the rubber protector that came with the buckle is securely attached to this metal piece to ensure no damage to your door during exercise. Give it a test by stepping back from the door and giving a little pull on the B-lines. You can adjust the position of the cam buckle to perform different exercises. Always make sure to check your control track buckles and B-lines before every workout. That's all there is to it. Now let's start getting great results.